blast happened near the finishing line of the city's annual marathon. This was the scene immediately after the explosions.
The White House says the incident will be treated as an act of terror. President Obama warned justice will be done.
Make no mistake, we will get to the bottom of this. We will find out who did this. We'll find out why they did this. Any responsible individuals, any responsible groups will feel the full weight of justice.
Police have told people to clear the streets and head home. The city of Boston is effectively in lockdown.
People should be calm, but they should understand that this is an ongoing event, and they should understand that we need all the information that we can get available to us.
Hello there, you're watching BBC News. The US is in shock after two explosions near the finish line of the Boston Marathon killed 2 people and wounded dozens more.
And a fly zone has been set up over the area as the security services try to find out who carried out the attacks. President Obama said all Americans stood with the tough, resilient people of Boston.
Well, the Boston Marathon is the oldest annual marathon and was first run back in 1897.
Thousands of people take part every year, and the finish line is in the heart of the city. Well, the BBC's Ben Wright has the latest.
One moment, euphoria of finishing. The next, terror and fear. As marathon runners crossed the finishing line, a huge explosion rocked the viewing stands packed with spectators. One woman is thrown to the ground in the blast, and then another one, a second or two later, further up the road. In the smoke, people screamed and ran. Military and medical teams rushed to help, pulling debris off the trapped and injured.
I just walked away, 15 feet away, 20 feet, and, a bomb went off, and it knocked me to the ground, and then, everybody started running, panicking.
With the streets suddenly strewn with window glass, debris and terribly injured people, nobody knew what had happened. Medical tents, set up to treat exhausted runners, became makeshift hospitals. Eyewitnesses described seeing severe burns and severed limbs. Police then confirmed 2 people had been killed, many more injured. After being briefed by the FBI, Boston Police and the Director of Homeland Security, President Obama promised the people responsible would be found.
Make no mistake, we will get to the bottom of this, and we will find out who did this. We'll find out why they did this. Any responsible individuals, any responsible groups will feel the full weight of justice.
The Boston Police said the 2 explosions were simultaneous and 100 yards apart, bookending the marathon's finishing line.
Watching across the street, we saw the first bomb go off. People started closing the street.
The police advice to the people in Boston city centre was to stay indoors and not gather in large groups. At the moment, there is no indication of why this attack happened or who carried it out. Urgent questions for a city and a country in shock. Ben Wright, BBC News, Washington.
Well, if you just joined us, welcome to BBC News with Julie Peacock and Mike Embley. Let's just take you live to the scene there at the finish line of the Boston Marathon. As you can see, all the activity